one very important perspective to this thing is that government is doing a lot when it comes to per se designing the regulations or per se, implementing the policy. Sorry, yeah, I mean, giving out the policies. But the main pain point lies in the execution. So execution is one of the very big parts because many stakeholders of the ecosystem will need to be in sync in order to execute the policies which have been designed per se for the startups or for the early stage companies which are coming up. So that is one very important pain point that I would like to highlight and would want to, seek redressal to. The second question is funding and valuations. No, so per se funding and valuations, there's nothing very great I would like to highlight about this. But the next question, that's Android. So I think Android is the next big thing when it comes to per se, the mobile technology, because the platform is very open source and people can come in and do a lot of things on Android. So yeah, this initiative per se when it comes to IAMAI is amazing, especially in cities like tier 2 cities like Jaipur, because the startup ecosystem here is a bit unstructured, which I think IAMAI is doing a great job by bringing in great speakers from outside and stirring up the environment. Amazing. Heads up. Thank you.